Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable or disable Vibrate when calls ends on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to phone application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in phone, go to 3 dot on the right side. Okay, tap the 3 dot. And the pop-up bar show, okay, go to settings. Here in settings, go to call alerts and ringtone. Okay, tap this. Here in call alert and ringtone and call alert section, you can see the vibrate when call ends. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. To enable the vibrate when call ends, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled or disabled vibrate when calls end on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.